Hey everyone, welcome to Julia TV. So today, I'm going to talk to you about visualization. Do you believe in visualization? I truly believe in visualization because I've been doing this every year of my life. You know, every new year, we'll do our New Year resolution, right? So have you ever think about the kind of life that you want to live? So for me, I always dream of doing my own business and I want the freedom. I don't have to report to anyone, and yet I have good income coming in. So I remember when I was young, I think about 16 years old, I think to myself that I wanted to work in the Topshop, Miss Selfridge and Warehouse, because I was saving money and buying UK magazines, UK magazines every month, and then I keep seeing Topshop, Miss Selfridge Warehouse, Topshop, Miss Selfridge Warehouse, and then I love the fashion because back then, you know, the fashion in Singapore is not that great, you know. So I love the fashion that I saw on the magazine, and I tell myself, one day I will work there, one day I'll work there. And one day when I was asked to go for an interview, I didn't know what kind of brands that they are bringing in, and then it was a very famous company, you know, I won't say which company, and then I was hired for that for that brands that they are bringing in, and I was one of the pioneer to be involved in that brand, and then doing fashion shows, having so much fun because we were doing casting of the models, doing fashion show, doing marketing for that brand. Every other day when there's new trends coming in, new pieces coming in, I would call the stylist to come and feature. It was so fun doing the fashion industry. And then after that I went on to beauty industry. It was also my dream to go into the beauty industry. I wanted to learn how the cosmetic industry works, and true enough, I went into so many companies like carrying brands like Lancaster, carrying brands like La Mer, Bobbi Brown and Estee Lauder. So I was having so much fun doing it. And then after that, I was thinking to myself, I wanted to do my own business. I was just sharing with Mabel, my ex-colleague. She's a trooper, actually. She is a trooper. She is a cancer survivor, you know, and then she has so much energy. She has so much things that she motivates me to live life with passion. One thing about her. So one day, if she's not shy, I'm going to get her to share with us how she overcome her obstacle and survived breast cancer. Yeah. So for me, talk about visualization again. I want to show you my visual poster. I actually tear out some of my things from my poster. So I actually thank Anna for giving me this. She's my best friend. She just came back from Italy, and then I was just telling her, hey, you know, I was planning with Hui Bin, the other best friend again, and we were thinking about like going to Rome and Milan and Tuscany next May, and then she happened to give me this. I was like, oh my god, it's like a visualization for me. So I actually put this in my poster as well. And then I actually put my paycheck poster. I wanted to earn $20,000 a month. Yeah, from now onwards. Yeah, and then this bookmark just popped out of nowhere from the other books. I don't know where, but it gives me a beautiful message. Faith brings hope, right? And my pastor last weekend was talking about hope. I'm like, hey, you know, everything is like synergy. So I'm beginning to pick up my life again after I had a huge crisis the last 2 years. And then right now, I'm visualizing what kind of life that I want to live the next 5 to 10 years, you know. Let me show you about my past miracles. Like when I was in when I lost my job, and then I managed to do Mary Kay for about a year. I became a director. I mean, that's a promise that I gave to myself, that I need to be a director within 1 year. And then I want to earn that enough. When I debuted, I became, and I earned $5,000. So I actually tell myself also, and I happened to be top 4 sales director category back then on my first year as a director. And then my mentor, National Director Dawn, she started to encourage me to become Queen of Sales, and I really love this ring. This is the Queen of Sales ring in 2012, and I got it, you know. So, you know, can you see visualization is really that powerful? I literally cut off that queen face and put my face on it. So I became queen for the next 3 years, 2012, 2013 and 2014. And Mary Kay gave me the crown as well, so I became Queen of Sales for 3 years, so I got a crown as well. So can you see, I just want to prove to you that visualization really works. It's time to take out a piece of paper and paste what kind of, maybe you're looking for a man, you're waiting for a husband, cut out and then list the kind of man that you want, or maybe what kind of house that you want, or maybe what kind of life that you want to lead. For me, right, I want to lead a life full of travel. So last year is really, I told myself last 2 years I'm going to focus on Asia. So I literally traveled to Jakarta, Ho Chi Minh, KL, and I went to Bangkok as well, Asia places. But this year I want to go something further. So last year I managed to go further. I even went to Bali. So last year I went further. I went to Osaka and Perth. So this year, so I just came back from Dubai. I just came back from so right now this year I'm going to Tokyo and London end of the year. So it's so it's literally you need to really focus about what kind of life that you want, what kind of how much do you want to earn, and how much do you want to save for your trip. A lot of women that I meet, right, they said that they have no money to be a American consultant. They are always struggling from paycheck to paycheck. Think about how you're going to control your budget. For me, right, I'm really a mismanager of my money in the past, but because of the lesson that I learned early years, it makes me so afraid to not have a security. So I promised myself that from now onwards, right, I'm going to stop spending money on clothes, right? I'm going to recycle my clothes, so that I don't spend anything on it. Yeah, so you can rethink about like what kind of life that you want to be, what kind of how much do you want to earn, how much do you want to save a month. One of my best friends, right, she saved like $500 a month, so you have to really think about what kind of maybe you're going for traveling with your family, how much do you need to save. Or if you need extra income, you can come and join me and do Mary Kay and then sell Mary Kay products, right? We will train you, teach you how to sell, teach you how to talk, teach you on product knowledge, teach you on skincare classes, and also train you on how to be a public speaker, So if you're interested to be in my Inner Circle program, right now I just launched, forgot to mention, I just launched my Inner Circle program for my Mary Kay consultants. And then you will learn how to present yourself well, how to talk well, how to carry yourself well, and then on top of that, right, how to do contents on video, so that you can do very well in your Mary Kay career. So if you're interested in doing what I'm doing, you love to make people beautiful. Like for me, right, how do I get into this career? Because I love to make people beautiful since the beginning of my career when I was in the fashion industry. I love to dress up for people, I love to dress up the models, I love to pick the styles for people, I love to put on makeup for people. I keep asking my sister, my friends, please send me your faces, so that I can put makeup for you, so that I can improve my techniques as well. So this is how I improve my techniques, and then I go for trainings, and then I went to Korea for training as well. It's so fantastic, So if you're interested in doing what I'm doing, like you love to make friends, you love to make people beautiful, and then you want to improve yourself, personal development skills, and then you love to get recognized on stage, Mary Kay has everything for you to, get recognized, and then you get diamond rings as well. So this is the Queen diamond ring that I got, so I keep the best one. The rest I actually melt and change into the gold that I wanted, yeah. And then, think about if you are just suffered or maybe just had a huge crisis in your life, and then you're trying to pick yourself up, right? So pick yourself up by reading positive books, right? So for me, right, I read positive books by Norman Vincent Peale. He's an author and a preacher as well, so I love what he wrote. It's very easy to read. So I got this book from First Word. So if you're interested in the context, right, I can put the context below. It's at City Square Mall, so you can go and find this bookseller. He's very friendly. So I read books like this to pick myself up, and gradually I find passion in life again, and then restart my life. So think about like what kind of life that you want to lead, right? Put it in the poster, like how I actually take out my poster, some of the things, I tore it out, and then I bring it here to show it to you. If you are interested in what I'm doing, please drop me an email, and then please share this video and subscribe to my video channel, and then I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye! I just want to tell you that you must have faith in what you're doing, must believe in yourself always, and then I will believe with you, whatever you want to achieve in life. So I send my blessings to you, and then thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!